Hi, I'm Tom and welcome to Ledgemere. If this is your first time joining us, we're a small farm in southern Maine and I use a lot of old equipment. We have Jersey cows and sheep. If it's your first time watching, we'd love for you to take this opportunity and hit the subscribe button and follow us along on our journey. Today we're going to put a 1A-22 sickle bar mower on a 1973 Farmall 140. Over here, right there is our mower. So we're going to pull the tractor out and then get the mower positioned underneath and get her hooked up. So the first thing we could do is get our tractor as close as we can, and I'm here by myself, so we'll get the tractor as close as I can, and then I'm just going to have to manipulate that power shaft and the pulley and the shield in behind the tractor, and then push the whole thing in and then hang it. Alright, this is all connected, the drag link's hooked up. Now we'll come back here, finish this up. Belt on. Just lift this up underneath on the belt adjuster. And we basically let the weight of the mower make it tight. So it's all on. Now we just gotta touch up the knife and put that in. So we'll do that next. So this here is an A-22 sickle mower. It's a 6-footer, and I'm gonna finish getting the knife put together. Now these right here have these are called high arch hold downs. You can see there's quite an arch to it. This end's no good. This one's got some nicks taken out of it. Up here, it's missing. Then I'm gonna take this last section out. Put this double section in, that saves it from plugging up on me. So I'll just grind this down and then punch it out. Plugging up. And then I've got high arch sections on the hold downs. And so we take these bolts here. You see the flutes in it right here. So what happens is that comes up in, bites in the hole, and then it sits in there so it doesn't spin. So we set those under there. Like that. Put the new one on. These lock nuts will go on there. looks like it works. Everything's all lubed up, ready to roll. So thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.